In this video I show you the amazing shortcut for PC. These shortcut will solve a lot of problem. These shortcuts can greatly improve your efficiency and productivity when working on a PC. Whether you're copying and pasting content, undoing mistakes, formatting text, or navigating between applications and windows, these shortcuts can save you time and effort. Remember to practice and familiarize yourself with these shortcuts to make the most of them. Certainly. Here are 15 amazing keyboard shortcuts for PCs along with a brief description of each. 1. Ctrl+C. Copy the selected text or item to the clipboard. 2. Ctrl+V. Paste the contents of the clipboard. 3. Ctrl+X. Cut the selected text or item and place it in the clipboard. 4. Ctrl+Z. Undo the last action. 5. Ctrl+S. Save the current document or file. 6. Ctrl+A. Select all text or items in a document or folder. 7. Ctrl+F. Open the Find search function to locate specific text or items. 8. Ctrl+P. Print the current document or file. 9. Ctrl+B. Bold the selected text. 10. Ctrl+I. Italicize the selected text. 11. Ctrl+U. Underline the selected text. 12. Alt+Tab. Switch between open applications or windows. 13. Windows key plus D. Show or hide the desktop. 14. Windows key plus L. Lock the computer and switch to the login screen. 15. Windows key plus E. Open File Explorer, Windows Explorer, to browse files and folders.